Gotta get my tripod, get it set up, and make some slime. Hi guys, it's Courtney, and today I'm gonna be making giant, fluffy slime. And I'm super excited. I actually have 3 bottles of glue here, as well as some shaving foam and some other slimy ingredients. Let's get into it. Do you guys like this videoing area? I'm in the bathroom making it. I mean, it's a hard floor in case I spill. I like this. Tell me if you guys like it. There's good lighting, pretty good background, I guess. Bottle number 1 is done. Let's move on to bottle number 2. It's going to be giant pink fluffy slime. Oh yeah, and sorry if there's any background noise as well. I could shut the door, but there's a toilet. Actually, that's okay. That's okay if there's a toilet. Now for bottle number 3. Here is the glue. Next, I'm going to add in a little bit of lotion and shaving foam. That's going to be enough. Next, I'm going to add the coloring. This time I'm going for red, which is going to make a nice pink slime. Next, I'm going to take my activator and activate this. Now this is going to activate very quickly, so I don't want to add too much. Hey guys, so this is the slime. I'm gonna go to a table and do some ASMR, show you more in detail, maybe get some thumbnails with it. Yeah, I'll see you guys at the table. These sounds for a second. Do you guys hear those sounds? It's not so much like the bubble popping, but it's like the other stuff too. This video probably turned out to be like, I'm guessing 2 to 6 minutes long. Even less, maybe. Hopefully not less though. So, that's the slime. That's my video. I just finished doing the thumbnail. I'm gonna try and do a swirl. Okay, so there's my swirl. I think I did a pretty good job. Maybe it was the slime that did it. Thank y'all. y'all so much for watching. And if y'all enjoyed this video, then I recommend y'all pressing the like button, because that shows me that you want me to go to the store and buy more glue and make more of these kind of videos. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace!